Hassan is a young man. He lives with his mother. They are not rich, but they are happy. Hassan works every day. He works hard. He saves his money. Little by little, his savings grow. One day, Hassan has enough money. He goes to a store. He buys a new phone. The phone is shiny and expensive. Hassan holds it in his hand. He feels so happy. A big smile is on his face. He wants to call his mother first. He wants to share his joy with her. As he takes the phone out of the box, it slips from his hand. The phone falls to the ground. Hassan hears a sad sound. He picks up the phone. The screen is broken. The beautiful new screen has cracks all over it. Hassan's heart sinks. He feels very, very sad. All his hard work, all his savings, gone in a moment. He sits down on a nearby bench. He just looks at the broken phone in his hand. He feels stupid. Why was he not more careful? Hassan walks home slowly. His feet feel heavy. The joy he felt just a few minutes ago is gone. Now, only sadness is in his heart. When he gets home, his mother is there. She sees his face. She knows something is wrong. She asks him, "Hassan, what happened? Why do you look so sad?" Hassan doesn't say a word. She just shows her the broken phone. Mother looks at the phone, and then she looks at her son. She does not get angry. She smiles a gentle, warm smile. She says, "It is okay, my son. It is just a phone." Then, she opens her arms and gives Hassan a big hug. Hassan feels the warmth of her hug. It feels safe. It feels like home. Day. In that moment, he understands something important. He understands what love is. A phone is just a thing. It can be replaced. But his mother's love is precious. Money is not everything. Love is more important. The next day, Hassan goes back to work. He feels different. He feels stronger. He starts to save money again, but not for a new expensive phone. He saves money to help his mother. He wants to make her life a little easier. He finds an old phone in a drawer at home. It is not new. It is not shiny, but it works. He can make calls. He can send messages. He uses the old phone. He calls his friends. He talks to his family. The old phone connects him to the people he loves. And that is what matters. Hassan feels thankful. He is thankful for his mother, for his friends, for his job, for his life. He smiles more now. His smile is real. It comes from his heart. Life is hard sometimes. Things break. Plans fail. But love helps. Love makes you strong. Hassan learns many lessons from the broken phone. He learns patience. He knows that good things take time. He learns strength. He knows he can face problems and not give up. He learns gratitude. He learns to be thankful for what he has, not sad for what he doesn't have. Hassan is growing up. He is becoming a man. His mother sees the change in him. She sees his strength. She sees his smile. She is proud of her son. Hassan feels proud too. He is proud of the person he is becoming. He still has dreams. He has plans for the future. He walks forward, one step at a time. He knows there will be other challenges. There will be other broken things. But he does not stop. He will not let setbacks stop him. He believes that tomorrow will be a better day. He believes in himself. And so, he keeps going. Life teaches us lessons every day. Hassan learned a big one. And he is ready to learn more.